welcome back to my channel. I can't help but laugh. So I told one of my friends that I am consistently losing my AirPods. And what do I get in the mail? An AirPod speaker. So I just want to show it to you. It's so cute, and if anybody knows me, I love me some gadgets. So first of all, it comes with this cord, and it's really easy setup. So I'm just going to show you real quick with some non-copyrighted music. So you're going to cut it on. It'll make this beeping noise when you cut it on. And once you do that, you want to connect it to your Bluetooth, pair it. And after that, it'll tell you connect it. And then you can start using it. It's really easy. You can see how loud it can get. No problem at all working it. It's like super simple. And it actually lets you go from video to video, which is cool. That's it. Thanks for watching.